Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. We are starting a new series on previous year papers. In our first lecture, we are discussing Indian freedom struggle questions which has been asked in UPSC EPFO 2017 examination. This whole series will be very useful. It will give you understanding what kind of questions will be asked in upcoming UPSC EPFO 2020 examination. So you can subscribe to Educare 247 for further updates. Educare 247 has launched UPSC EPFO 2020 comprehensive course. In this comprehensive course, we are providing notes, MCQs, video lecture and 12 full-length mock tests. Currently, we are running a discount. You can use EPFO coupon code to get 1000 rupees discount. The whole world is locked down, so it will be a lockdown learning. At your home you can study, your study should not be hampered. That's why we are running a discount. So you can subscribe to EPFO course. It will be very useful for your upcoming examination. We are starting with Indian freedom struggle questions and we have chosen the paper of 2017. The first question is, who is the author of the work The Evolution of Provincial Finance in British India, a study in the provincial decentralization of imperial finance? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. This book has been written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. UPSC EPFO more focus on book. They have asked many questions of the book which has been written during the Indian freedom struggle. So this is very important. The next question is, in the context of international affair, which one of the following is correct about Lord Curzon? You must be remembered that Lord Curzon is related to partition of Bengal and it happened in 1905. So basically B option is correct. He wanted to establish a British sphere of influence over the Persian Gulf. So you can see that UPSC EPFO asking the question related to international affair as well during the Indian freedom struggle. So you must take care of the international affairs during the Indian freedom struggle. So this topic is also very important. With the help of these questions, you must understand what kind of topic UPSC EPFO touches and what kind of questions can be asked. The third question is, which one of the following is correct about Assam in British India? So the first statement is, it was the part of Northeast Frontier Agency. This is wrong. It was made a province in 1965. It is also wrong. C option is correct. It was separated from Bengal in 1817 and along with Sylhet, and it is made into a chief commissioner provinces. It was like a union territory. So this was very important question. Assam related question can be asked. So see that not only in main India, they are asking from the Northeast India also. So you must focus the history of Northeast India also. The next question is, what were the peasant association set up in Kerala in 1930s called? 1930s में जो केरला में peasant association थे उनके नाम क्या थे? तो basically they were called कृषका संगम. Krisaka means kisan. I mean it's a Malayali term for that. So you must remember this point. See that they are asking from the South India also. So you have to read history very thoroughly to solve the question of UPSC EPFO. The next question is, why did the Congress declare 9th May to be Ethiopian Day? The answer is C, because Ethiopian was attacked by the Italy in early 1936 and their resistance were considered freedom struggle. So you see that again international affair questions has been asked by UPSC EPFO. So what is happening in Ethiopia, that can also be asked. So you have to take care of whole history. Basically it is related to Congress, but still it has the input of international affair. The next question is, who set up the Bharat Stree Mahamandal which first met in Allahabad in 1910? The answer is Sarla Devi Chaudharani. So see, any kind of association related to women, related to peasant, related to general public, it can be asked in the examination. So you have to remember all the important organization. The next question is, which one of the following is not the feature of non-cooperation movement? So basically it's Gandhi's non-cooperation movement that was started in 1920. So it has been asked in the examination. Here the answer is middle class participated in very large number in the movement? You have to answer not the feature. So basically in non-cooperation movement, middle class not participated in large number, and rest are the feature of non-cooperation movement. So you have to go into the detail of the topic. Non-cooperation movement is a topic and you need to learn all the features related to that. The next question is, which one of the following publication was started by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan in 1928? The answer is Young India. I just told that you have to learn about the organization and you have to learn about the publications also, because during the freedom struggle many publications were published, even by Mahatma Gandhi also many publications was published, and all the important leader published some kind of newspaper, some kind of article, some kind of book. You need to learn all important books, publication and organization. It is the favorite topic of UPSC EPFO. The next topic is, who among the following was the founder of Arya Mahila Samaj in the early 80s? The answer is Pandita Ramabai. So see, again organization related question has been asked. So you need to learn all the important organization, especially the organization which has formed in 80s and 90s. The next question is, who among the following is considered to be the first Indian to go to jail in performance of his duty as a journalist? The answer is Surendranath Banerjee D. So see, the depth question has been asked. It is really a very depth question. In general reading you cannot answer these kind of questions, so you have to read history very thoroughly, very minute detail you have to cover. The next question is, which social reformer's autobiography entitled Looking Back describes his experience in setting up schools for women in Pune in 1990? The answer is A. Dhondo Keshav Karve. You can see that again autobiography books related question has been asked. So it is the most important topic for UPSC EPFO. You have to go through all the important publication books which has been published during the Indian freedom struggle. The next question is, who was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? The answer is Alexander Cunningham. It is very important question. It has been asked in UPSC Civil Services examination as well, and EPFO has repeated this kind of question. So it is very important topic. The next question is, which of the following works was not contributed by famous social reformer Begum Rokeya? Basically Begum Rokeya was the first Muslim feminist writer and she has written lots of books. So basically you have to answer which book has been not written by Begum Rokeya. The answer is Mother India. Other book has been written by Begum Rokeya. So see, again book related question has been asked. So that is the most important lesson you are taking from this video. You have to focus on books, publication, organization. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.